Give it to Mom.
He's in town.
Give it to Mom.
Place called Wandering Rock.
Uh-oh, she took the
Oh,
glasses
sorry.
off. Now she's got the pen.
So dangerous, sweetheart. Why'd they send a little girl like you in all alone?
Bring over here, I'll help you.
She took them off.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get that pen and put it back on.
I can take care of myself.
No.
Let me see, honey. Oh, she could do
Yeah, she
electricity.
knows. Oh, David knows how to get the lid off these though, but she gotta keep them up. Go get your glasses.
Hero.
I could be your hero, baby. Put your glasses on.
Let me help you. Here. You're gonna be cool. There, show Daddy.
Woo!
Woohoo! Look at that baby. Oh my goodness, look at that baby. Look at that little baby.
Do a dance, baby. Yeah, she did a dance.
Oh, dance, baby. Dance, baby. Yeah, she's.
Rosetta.
Look at
man.
her diaper.
Honey, dance more.
Dance, baby, dance. Yeah.
Get up and dance. She's so crazy.
Dance,
Dance.
baby.
Look at the camera. Dance.
Dance, honey.
Dance.
Yay! She's a dancing baby. She's a little dancing baby.
Dance, Rosetta. Dance.
Dance, honey.
She's getting tired.
She wobbles her head around. Watch out. Don't do that, pretty.
Watch out. Put it down, Peter. Oh.
Hey, don't hate your
Say
sissy.
hi, Rosetta.
Say hi.
See.
Hi.
Say dad.
Bye.
Say mom.
Mom.
Say sissy.
Say ball.
Say ball.
Ma.
Say horse.
Brush.
She said bus.
Say I love you. Ow.
He's like, I love
Say I love you, dad.
you. Goodbye.
Say yes. Say yes.
Mine.
Say yes. She just went in mine last week.
Say I love you.
Goodbye.
I love you. Ow.
Little butt.
Get your butt out of here. Ow, ow. She's stabbing me with her toes. Ugh. Here, grab her.
She's too big for my stomach.
Oh, dang. Hey, let go. Your sister's hair. What are you doing?
Rosetta, say car.
Car.
Say car.
Car.
Say puppy.
Say birdie.
Say puppy.
Oh, say baby. Baby.
Say baby.
Baby.
She's looking for your baby right now. But she didn't show you.
Isn't that my baby? My stomach.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sorry. She thinks you have a baby in there.
It's a baby? My tummy? It's a baby? Where's your
Baby.
nose?
Wasn't her baby, sorry. Now she'll say.
Oh, is that your baby in there?
Baby.
Is that your baby like mama?
Look at my baby. My baby.
She's all that.
Oh yeah, you can have baby, but I can't.
Now show where your nose is, Rosetta.
She stuck her finger there.
Where's your mouth?
No.
Where's your eyes?
Where's your
Where's your teeth?
Where's your teeth?
Yep. Where's your ear?
Where's your ear? Where's your hair?
It's so crazy.
Where's your hair?
Where's your head? Where's your head? Where's your head? Where's your head?
Where's your leg?
Where's your leg?
Yep. Where's your hand?
Oh, she pointed to my knee.
Well, no, where's your hand at?
Where's your hand? Oh, and she's like this.
Yep, there's your hand.
Ask her where
Where's-
her
where's-
axilla is.
Where's your butt?
Ma? Ma?
She knows
Butt.
to say butt.
Oh, she thinks it's diaper. Hey, what are you doing?
Put on her training pants.
I don't want her to have an accident.
What about in the morning? Training pants?
I love you.
I love you. Like I love you, but
She's like, "Bah, bah, 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 bah."
She's just-
That one's going.